What's up, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? I'm sorry it's been so long since I put out a video, and there's a couple reasons for that. You know, I mean, I'm just broke. But yeah, I don't know if you can hear it in the background, but I have a project I've been working on for a little bit, and it's, you know, a little side gig, a little side project I've been working on in secret. But if you follow my Instagram, you'll know that I bought a really old mini bike, and you know, I've been putting a little bit of money into that. Not too much, of course, because you know my twin turbo comes first always. But I bought a 70's Baja Blitz. It's a really classic mini bike, and I've been putting some mods into it. Just actually, I'll show you. Hold on. As you can see, this is my my mini bike project. It's pretty dope. When I bought it, it came like completely bare, but it did come with this right here, this 6.5 horsepower Predator 212, which, if you know anything about mini bikes or go-karts, you'll know that that's like the engine to have if you're building any sort of performance motorcycle or go-kart. And what I've been doing is trying to make it like road legal. So in the state of Washington, which is where I live, there is a bunch of laws, or collection of laws, called RCWs, and they pretty much, with the RCWs, it's legal and not legal to operate on the streets. And this mini bike falls in like a sweet spot where it's not technically a motorcycle, but it is bigger than 49cc, so it still has to have all the stuff that's required for a motorcycle, but can follow like bicycle laws. But yeah, it's kind of weird. So some of the provisions that need to happen on this is I have to have mirrors, and I got all these parts from like eBay, which is pretty sick, and it was like super cheap. So I got these mirrors. I have blinkers, one on this side, one on the other side. I have a headlight, obviously. I have rear blinkers, and I have taillights as well. There's a little battery over there, but it's not really wired in. The main thing I have to do is wiring. And I don't know if you watch any of my videos, but I'm not the best at wiring. So I'm probably gonna take it to like a motorcycle shop and have them do it, because I bought a Switch and I'm not too great at you know, trying to figure stuff out. Like, I already know what the lights do, what the wires on each of the lights do, but I don't know how to test it for the actual Switch. So that's one of the things I'm a little worried about, but I'm sure, you know, a shop will be able to fix it. I have a new headlight because this little LED thing doesn't really do much, especially at night. And I don't usually drive it at night, but I think it's pretty cool. It definitely has the potential because it goes really fast. That 212, plus I got an exhaust header. It's I got a new intake and a little breather valve, and then it also came with a carb rejet. And if you know anything about that, if you know anything about go-karts, you'll know that the carb is pretty important. So I got the performance kit from GoPowersports.com, and the guys are super nice. Like, when I talked to one of the dudes at Go Power Sports, like, he actually like called my cell phone and talked to me about, you know, what I was trying to do with it, what was the actual like CCs, what color, you know, filter I wanted or whatever, which is really cool. You know, I asked him some questions about wiring and stuff on mini bikes, and you know, it was just a cool dude. I forget his name. I think it was Mike. Probably was Mike. But yeah, this is my mini bike, and I'm gonna, you know, ride it around a little bit. I actually want you guys to hear it because it is, the new header on it is, it's pretty wild. Alrighty, so I actually forgot to film an intro or an outro to the video. But as you guys know, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.